Welcome to my second video. I'm Keyani or KeyaniGaming, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a thumbnail and add it to your video. Let's get started. First things first, you open the app Pixlr E, or just search up pixlr.com. Get in the app and press Create New. Then pick this one. Open Pinterest.
I just wanna be somebody to someone, oh. I wanna be somebody to someone, oh. I never had nobody and no road home. I wanna be somebody to someone. I just wanna be somebody to someone, oh. I wanna be somebody to someone, oh.
Go on and press File. Then press Open Image. Alright, after you're done doing that, you have to open in YouTube Studio. You'll need your video already uploaded onto YouTube before you put a thumbnail. Then mine, you'll see something like here saying thumbnail. And mine will say change, but you could just press the three dots. I'll just say make a thumbnail. And that is how you do thumbnails. And the thumbnail that I made here, I am going to say as the same thing. So that is how you make thumbnails and add them to your videos.